Purushottam Mass is a very sacred period for spiritual growth. According to the Padma Purana, this extra month is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, making selfless deeds like charity, puja, and japa exceptionally fruitful. According to the lunar and solar calendars, a small difference appears every year. To balance this difference, an extra month appears once every 3 years. Because this was an extra month, many people began calling it Mal Mas. Some even considered it inauspicious, believing that no sacred activities should be performed during this time.
Malmas is inauspicious. We must stop the wedding. The gods are angry. This storm is a sign. Why? Our sacred day is lost.
Just as there is a presiding deity for every day and every month, this extra month also had a presiding goddess. But she became deeply saddened because everyone insulted her and called her impure. Rejected by the world and filled with sorrow, she prayed sincerely to Lord Vishnu for shelter and mercy.
परम दयालु मेरी पुकार सुनो, भक्त वत्सल मुझको अपनाओ। सबने मुझे मलमास कहा, नारायण अब शरण दे दो, करुणा सागर अंधेरा मिटाओ। माधव चरणों में स्थान दो।
Do not cry. I am pleased with your prayers.
I am pleased with your prayers. I will take you to Goloka for darshan of Lord Krishna.
With great compassion, Lord Krishna said, "Do not be unhappy. From today, you will carry my own name. You shall be known as Purushottam Mas." He declared that anyone who performs auspicious activities during this sacred month receives millions of times greater spiritual benefit. If someone gives charity during this month, they receive immense spiritual merit. If someone gets up early in the morning during Brahma Muhurta and chants the holy name and participates in Harinam Sankirtan in the association of devotees, the benefit multiplies many times. This month is also extra auspicious for worshipping Tulasi Devi by offering water, circumambulating her in the morning, and offering arti. In earlier times, devotees would spend this sacred month hearing scriptures like the Srimad Bhagavatam, associating with saints, and children as young as 5 participate and immerse themselves in spiritual wisdom. The atmosphere would become filled with devotion, knowledge, and remembrance of the Lord. So in Purushottam Mass, one should chant sincerely, perform puja one-pointedly, hear spiritual wisdom, serve with humility, and thus awaken the heart with such sincere spiritual practice and get the blessings of Goddess and Lord Shri Krishna